Attack how you go here now. Come in, good up with the truck, good up with the truck. Alright, so you see the cab over here said to carry one tip trail body. We might try come up this morning at 6 o'clock. Nobody never really there like now we could have directly. So we come up on the back part of the tip trail touch on the wall. I want to show you the part of the wall when the truck can move. Touch on the wall, right up on the bank in the wall. And bus, the tire bus. So the tip trail drop on the side and drive by truck over the wall. The one you know, the one the gearbox fuck up from about 3 days now. Then get the gearbox yesterday and I put in it, but they never finish putting it. So if you finish and move, yeah man, the driver good.
Are you touch one?
Eh? No, I'm not touching. Be a then truck will come down. See not truck. Dog from your guy, you even dream me. Come in, one donut for everybody complete the live goal. What? Yellow chop? Which yellow chop? Oh. Which truck? Which one I chuck them yellow that drive? I want black bread that drive the one here. She black brother that drive the one they down there, sir. The black shiny brother. And the next truck the one here cupcake driving. People just press on the 1K wanna see up there, so everybody wanna see in the box and just follow them. More assassin catching. Yeah. Come in people, only pound in and one donut for each. And the live goal complete.